Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ajeng Novita from 3A1 class. I will explain the difference between asynchronous and synchronous. Like the one in PPT Misana, asynchronous versus synchronous learning. Online learning is education that takes place over the internet. It is often referred to as learning among other terms, and also now many institutions course offering around the world. Advance in technology now allow students to study entirely online while still socializing with classmates. Online learning is recognized into models, synchronous and asynchronous learning model. Asynchronous is computer mediation and online service in the implementation of delayed communication using media such as email, forums, and reading and writing online documents via the World Wide Web or www. Synchronous is computer mediation and online service in the implementation of direct communication using media such as video calls and chat. The advantage and disadvantage of synchronous and asynchronous communication. First, synchronous online communication. Advantage: increased transmission speed because synchronous doesn't use the advantage bit every time it delivers a data packet. This advantage has the possibility of problems that require a heavy clock signal to accommodate data packets simultaneously. Second, synchronous online communication. Advantage: the ratio of synologue sender and container not chatting has a lower problems. Weaknesses: small transmission speed. It requires synchronization from the first to the end of the character data to be given or retrieved. Synchronous and asynchronous online communication features. First, synchronous communication characteristic. Communication can be done that very day in addition to real time. Other features of synchronous online communication, namely message delivery and message triggered, do two-way communication, or can reply to each other and read the message even. Second, the characteristic of asynchronous communication. Asynchronous communication is done in a stop, or not in real time. The same happens in synchronous communication. How to work between synchronous and asynchronous. First, asynchronous work, data communication process that is independent or of a fixed time and quite relative and not fixed. Second, synchronous working way. The sender and receiver process are arranged in such a way that they have the same settings so that they can be retrieved and sent properly. And this setting is based on the time in sending the signal. So the difference between synchronous and asynchronous is that synchronous learning is online or distance education that occurs in real time, whereas asynchronous learning occurs via online channels without real-time interaction. That was my explanation about synchronous versus synchronous learning. Thank you and wrote all less apologies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.